Hi guys, my name's Mitchell, and today I just wanted to do a quick tutorial on how to clean your ear stretchers. I'm making this video for a few friends who are curious about kind of starting to stretch their ears. If you want any more videos on this kind of stuff, I'm totally down to make it, so let me know. If you guys were wondering, I'm a 2-gauge stretch right now. I'm wearing screw-on tunnels, so I'm kind of faking my size right now. 2G is not this big. It's more like the hole in the center, which you can see through. Not very well though, not on camera like this. But yeah, I'm 2G, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to screw off my ear stretcher, lefty loosey, righty tighty. Always a good thing to remember when cleaning your screw-ons. Now once it's off, it'll look like this. It'll be in 2 pieces. My earplug designs are kind of blue and gold, but only when shown in the light. And it kind of looks black when it's in the dark. What I would do with my tunnels in the cleaning process is I would take my ear care solution. It's just, you can buy it at any Claire stores, and I would throw these in the ear care solution. I wouldn't recommend doing it with acrylic though. Don't do it on acrylic or anything where alcohol-based materials could rub off the paint. Your designs will start to tarnish. Yeah, once these are off, what I would do is I would take about 3 to 4 tablespoons of non-iodized, I believe, salt, so it dissolves in the water. This is what my little lobie looks like. Take the salt mixture in the water, the warm water, and I would stick my ear in it and kind of put the water over my ears in a way that my little lobie gets some water. Hold this for 2 to 5 minutes, so I'm just gonna do this on both sides and I'll get right back to you. So for those of you wondering how long it took me to get to 2 gauge, it took me about 3 months, which is not normal. It's usually a 2 to 3 month wait in between stretches. I just did it each stretch 2 to 3 weeks apart because I'm an idiot. If you're stretching your ears properly and you don't want any blowouts or pain or anything, wait 2 to 3 months between stretches. My goal size is a 00, and I have about 6 months to wait before I will be up to that size. So I'm just gonna start collecting plugs in the 2 gauge size just so I have a collection. So now that your ear is soaking in the solution that you've just created, you're going to take a paper towel. You're just going to dab it off and massage your ears. Always massage your ears when you're cleaning them. It helps the healing process, makes it ready for the next stretch. I'm not sure how it works. Don't ask me, I'm not a professional. So that's done. You just take your clean plug that you just popped in the solution. And this is going to hurt because it's screw in and they have to go over the screws. And it's in, so you're just going to take your screw-on little part and you'll feel it line up with the back of it. Make sure you can actually see the screw part inside. Right, because righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, always a rule to remember. And you got your ear stretcher on again.